rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati.
Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Seema Rath. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this Methi DIY deep conditioning mask. This is a recipe I got from a curly hair blogger called Deepika. I'll leave the link to her Instagram down below. You should go check her out. She's amazing. So for this recipe, I took half a cup of methi seeds and added 1 cup of water, and I just let it sit overnight. The next morning I just put the methi seeds in a blender, added a little more water and just blended it into a coarse thick paste. It should look something like this. So I had already oiled my hair and washed it with my Khadi Naturals shampoo. So I'm just going ahead and dividing my hair into sections, and I will apply the deep conditioning mask to each section. And once I've applied it, I'm just going to twist it and let it be. So basically the twisting helps with the curl definition. So if you're a curly hair girl, you should definitely twist your hair and let it be. So once I apply the deep conditioning mask all over my hair, I'm just going to put it in a shower cap and leave it for about 1.5 hours, and then I just wash it with plain water, condition it the way you would. I use the Khadi Naturals conditioner, and then I just styled it with my Arata styling gel and cream. And this is how it looks. I'm really happy with the results. The curl definition was amazing. I had a lot of volume and the hair felt so much softer. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.